What's up, internet? Steamy Coins here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. So what you're seeing on the screen is the Bitcoin USD chart. We're just keeping a track of the movements of Bitcoin, that because Bitcoin versus the US dollar, because that is what basically, tells you the overall state of the cryptocurrency market. Simply because Bitcoin is the base currency for cryptocurrencies, and the US dollar is the world reserve currency. So, pairing these two together, you're gonna be able to extrapolate a lot of information. So, so Bitcoin is still on the rise, still looking very bullish. If you see this top red line here, this is the resistance line. So you see that one red candle. I mean, there's a slight pullback, some profit taken by some of the traders. So it looks like the resistance is going to form around this level, I'll say, about $5,633. So it looks like a healthy bull run. You haven't seen a lot of sell-offs, so looking good. Let's just jump into it. As you guys already know, those of you that follow me, is that I just do my daily withdrawals, see how much cryptocurrency I've earned today. So looking at this is tronbank. So tronbank did an airdrop today of their new TNT token, right? So it paid me today. I got 199.52 BitTorrent tokens, because they gave me an airdrop of 4.62 TNT, and when you freeze it, you collect dividends. So expecting to get more airdrops of TNT as time goes on, and I should be earning more BitTorrent tokens for that. So looking at what I made in BitTorrent tokens today, 2,600 BTT. Let me just get that and sign the transaction. Great. So that is on its way to my wallet. Should see it show up here. Let's see, 20,600. Yeah. All right. Awesome. So I'm well on my way to recovering my initial investment. TRX Pro is coming soon. So I already have some Tron reserve to invest in this new contract. Looking forward to that. Should be very interesting. And let's move on to P3T. Now P3T tokens doing good. Only put 2,000 Tron in here, 89 tokens so far. The way I'm approaching this, I'm just gonna keep reinvesting. Not gonna take anything out for now. So let me just hit this reinvestment button and sign that transaction. Alright, there we go. So you guys know P3T, what they're doing right now, they're doing auditing. So they look through the developers code and make sure there are no backdoors and no errors in the code, so that the developer can't just run off with your money, or the contract won't get easily hacked. And so they have an API. The API is called P3T Play. And for those of you who don't know what an API is, it is basically a set of software tools to allow developers to create applications easily. So and for the first application that used the P3T Play API is called OneUp. You see the link right there, OneUp, and that's going to take you to this site. So whenever you invest in this site, 2% goes over to the holders of the P3T token. So that's part of the value right there. So that's why I keep reinvesting when I earn from this token, and just buy more of it, so that I have a better position. And this is something that should be around for a very long time. So every day I will be earning Tron from this. Right. So no matter what, if I lose all my money, I still own this token and in a short time I will have more money again. So yeah, because I'm an owner, so I'm just going to keep getting as much of that as possible. Right, so this is basically what you call a cash flow investment. When you own something that actually makes money, it's a cash flow investment. All right, so moving on. One up. Now I'm thinking about investing some more Tron into this. I'm not sure when. I think I'm gonna wait till tronbank's TRX Pro comes out, and then when this starts paying me dividends, I'm gonna throw like some of the dividends in here. Alright, so don't have anything much in this as yet, but it is, every day it increases by 0.02% in the payout. So, and it's gonna stop all the way at 2% that you see right here. Yeah, so just 6 Tron in the contract, gonna reinvest, sign that transaction. Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah, moving on. Magic Dice on the Steam blockchain. Made a little bit of crypto. Didn't get much payout today. It's kind of small, but hey, it's profit. All profits is good profit. Right, there we go. Tron, still waiting for this mining activity to finish so I can collect the divs. Yeah, this is a very good long-term hold. Very good long-term hold, because a lot of these people that are playing they're not just here to mine the tokens, they're actually here to play poker. So it's awesome. This is definitely something very profitable to hold on to. So there's that. Yeah, one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, this contract, CCBank, this contract, this can give Tronbank a run for its money. Alright, so say you invest in one of these. Well, let me tell you why I think this is going to give Tronbank a run for its money. Basically, they will stop the deposits if the contract starts to decline, right? And then there is also a limit on how much money you can put in to some of these contracts, so you don't drain it too fast. So for example, look at this investment plan E, 10% daily ROI, right? I don't know why they keep saying forever, but it's not forever. But anyway, a maximum limit per address, 5,000 TRX. So you can't just dump a bunch of Tron in here and then just suck it all back out and just hurt the smaller guys, So this is what makes this really awesome. Alright, so this is amazing right here. This is already a feature that will outclass anything that's on Tronbank right now. Now, Tron, what was it called? Tron Pro? TRX Pro might actually, add more features like this in that new contract. But for now, this is awesome. And if you invested money and you were a little late and you didn't make your ROI, this is what they actually do. They will issue you a token, the CCB token. For every single Tron you lose, you will get 10 CCB tokens. And for these tokens, these platform tokens, they pay you daily dividends based on the money that is made on the platform for the day. They will pay you a small amount. So even if you lose in one of those ROI contracts, over time you will recover your losses. Alright, so that's, right now this puts this beyond Tronbank. I'm not sure how it works with TNT. I really got to look into it more, but I don't think that you're gaining from what you lost, basically. Not sure, but TNT's out. It's out now, and I've already earned a dividend payment from it. This daily ROI contract has been drained, so no more Tron in the contract. But I was just on Telegram, and one of the admins said that the new game's probably gonna launch this week. So depending on how that goes, I might jump on this. If this comes out before TRX Pro, I'm definitely gonna jump on this. If TRX Pro comes out first, I'm gonna jump on that, and you know, we'll see. But I definitely have some Tron ready to go. All right, yeah, guys. So that's about it for the day. Not a whole lot going on. Let me just take a quick overview of the trading on Tron right now. Let's see. WoW down 11%. Anti down 1%, 10%, 888. BitTorrent token 2%. Some profit taking across the board. Yeah, market's still looking heavy. I mean healthy. Sorry. Yeah. My intention, I definitely want to collect more of this token here, IGG. IGG is a gaming platform, so they're trying to make it possible for, you know, regular people to be esports athletes, which is awesome. It looks like it's starting to trade sideways. It has been losing a lot. These tokens are really cheap right now. This is a good time to buy up a lot of these tokens. Look how cheap that is, right? So okay, so a lot of the people that don't know, that don't have a deep knowledge as to what's going on with dApps, a lot of those guys are like traders. They trade, you know, they'll trade Tron for Bitcoin, sorry, and back and forth. But what you can actually do, you can take your Tron and buy some of these tokens on the Tron network, right? Because they are really cheap right now. And then when these tokens start to run up against Tron, you can sell them back for Tron, even more Tron. And then you can hold that Tron and wait until Tron runs up against Bitcoin, and then sell the Tron for the Bitcoin, and then you end up with even more. And the thing is, traditionally, if Bitcoin, say for example, gains 20% in value, it grows 20% in value, altcoins tend to grow about 200%. Like, yeah, for real, you'll have altcoins even growing even more than that, 500, 600, 700% against Bitcoin, believe it or not. So if you play the markets right, you can make a lot of money really quickly. So like holding a coin on the Tron network is like you're 2 levels deep, right? So you can trade it against Tron and earn even more Tron, and then you can trade the Tron against Bitcoin and earn even more Bitcoin. Alright, so you can really compound and make a lot of money very fast. So, you know, that's why I'm buying up a lot of these coins. So yeah, I'm definitely going to buy up some IGG, because this coin is going to be huge. They are building a huge platform right now, and not a lot of people know. But anyway, I know. I'm going to buy up some of this. I don't have much right now, just 451, but I'm planning to buy a ton. But yeah, so not financial advice, just my opinion. I'm just documenting my investment journey in the cryptocurrency space. So yeah, that's just for me. So you guys can follow me if you want, but you know, do your own research, please, because this is a very risky market, and you really have to be in the know to survive. Alright, so anyway, that's it for me today, guys. I'm gonna drop a couple links in the description. Tronbank, P3T, 1UP, Magic Dice, Pokertron. Yeah, so you know, you guys want to get in on any of those. And also, if you want to purchase cryptocurrency, I have there's this awesome company right here, CX.io. You guys can check them out. Yeah, gonna leave a link in the description also. Yeah, well, that's it for me today. Thanks for checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. Peace.